There's a quiet power that makes a woman replay your face, your words, your presence, again and again. It's not a trick. It's not a line you memorize. It's a set of behaviors that change how she feels about you at a deep level. Do these 8 things the right way, and she won't just remember you. She'll miss you badly. But one warning, this is not for playing games. It's for becoming a man worthy of being missed. Musonius Rufus taught, if you accomplish something good with hard work, the labor passes quickly, but the good endures. These 8 moves require effort. They're not cheap psychological hacks. They're disciplined habits. They work because they change your presence, and presence is what lingers in someone's mind. Let's break them down. 1. Become unavailable. Without being unkind, availability is currency. Give it away freely and it loses value. Be intentional with your time. Don't ghost. Don't play cruel games. Simply prioritize your mission, your circle, and your recovery time. When you are selectively present, she notices the difference, and her mind fills the gaps. Why it works? Scarcity plus steady behavior equals cognitive value. She assigns significance to what isn't always there. Quick example, reply, don't react. Keep your plans. If she texts late, answer later with calm energy, not with panic or an apology. 2. Build a life that's bigger than the relationship. Women miss men who are on a path. Purpose pulls people in. Dependence pushes them away. Zeno said, well-being is attained by little and little, and nevertheless is no little thing itself. Build slowly. Health, work, skills, discipline. When your life expands, she feels the gravity of what she's left outside. Why it works? Scarcity of attention plus perceived upward trajectory equals attraction plus wistful thinking about what could have been. 3. Use absence to amplify. Good memories. Absence is loudest when it follows positive experiences. The trick is, make the moments together high quality, then allow time apart. Don't disappear after fights. Disappear after connection. Let the memory breathe. Ethical tip: never use absence as emotional punishment. Use it to preserve dignity and perspective. Why it works? Memory consolidation. The brain amplifies emotionally salient events when followed by quiet. 4. Cultivate controlled mystery. Don't overshare. A man who reveals everything too soon removes intrigue. Keep some layers private. Your deeper projects, certain opinions, future plans, not secrets, boundaries. Musonius again. Practice poverty. Practice endurance. Practice restraint in conversation. Let curiosity do some of the work. Why it works? Human brains love unresolved puzzles. Mystery motivates thought loops. She'll fill them by imagining you. 5. Become the calm in her storm. Emotional reactivity repels. Calm presence attracts and is remembered. When she's stressed, be the steady voice. When she rages, be the composed listener. Control is magnetic. Epictetus. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. React with composure. Why it works? Safety equals attachment. She associates you with relief and stability. Absence then triggers longing. 6. Create gentle emotional highs and lows, not manipulative. Routine plus surprise equals memorable. Combine dependable kindness with unpredictable depth, a deep conversation, a surprise that shows you listen, a confident silence at the right moment. Don't manufacture drama, cultivate contrast. Why it works? Emotional variability is sticky. The brain prioritizes emotionally charged memories. Ethical note: don't manufacture pain or jealousy. Create contrast through genuine depth and sincerity. 7. Be unapologetically disciplined, the long game. A disciplined man is reliable and rare. He keeps commitments. He shows up. He improves. She notices slow, steady progress more than flashy promises. Seneca wrote, Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Be the kind of man improved by trials. Why it works. Consistency creates trust. Trust creates attachment. Absence reveals the loss of that anchor. 8. Protect her vulnerability. Become the keeper of her trust. When she shows weakness, don't weaponize it. Keep her words private. Respond with empathy and quiet action. People miss those who hold their secrets and stay steady. Marcus Aurelius. Fresh. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Be the opposite of someone who betrays trust. Be the safe place. Why it works. Vulnerability plus safety equals deep emotional bonds. If you're the safe holder of her private side, your absence becomes a felt loss. These 8 moves are not tricks. They are habits of character, selective presence, purpose, calm, mystery, emotional quality, discipline, and trustworthiness. Together they reshape how she perceives you, from disposable to indispensable. Use this power with integrity. Manipulation breaks people. Self-mastery elevates everyone. If your goal is to be missed, earn it honestly by becoming a man she regrets losing because he made her better, calmer, and safer. As Musonius Rufus said, the good endures. Build what endures, and she will miss you, not for a moment, but in a way that matters. This is the Stoic way.